Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today on today's episode, what we're working on is a 2015 Kia Forte. So we're going to go ahead and make sure that we're on the hot spot. That's always what it's going to ask. So we're going to hit emo. We're going to hit accept. Then we're going to go to, let's go to manual, since we're going to go ahead and hit the emergency lights on. Get some data from the computer with the emergency lights. Let's go ahead and go to manual. Kia, let's see here. Kia. I like to push the push start button a couple of times to wake up the vehicle. Manual selection, because this is an all keys lost situation. America. All right, what is this? A Forte. Okay, there's a lot of Fortes. It goes by year. Let's see here. Forte, there we go, 2014, 2016. Smart key. There we go. Hot functions. Smart key learning. We did buy the password and the key code from a third-party vendor for $15, so that was a good price. It beats leashing the door lock, even though I could do it. I just don't want to, honestly. So might as well buy the code and get the security code, and we're all good to go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start the function to learn the keys. This function supports all add and all keys lost. Performing this function will erase all existing keys. So that's what it's going to do. Turn on the hazard lights. Turn the ignition off. Open the door once and close it. All right, there we go. So let's go ahead and put in the PIN code. One moment. There we go. We got the code. Enter the security code. Please confirm it. Yes. So it did take the PIN code. Click OK to complete the following steps within 5 seconds after OK is pressed. Use the back of the top of the smart key. Hold down the start button for 5 seconds. Okay, here we go. All right, we're holding 5 seconds. Current key learned failed. You want to retry? Yes. Let's go ahead and see what's going on here. All right, so the mighty Xtool finished the job. It just basically gave me better instructions to take out the key from the shell. And once I took it out, the generated X-Horse was able to get programmed. I just had to hold the button and put the key next to it, and then it got it. So good job, Xtool.